Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create or design a real estate listing yard poster or anything else related to that. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just head over here to the home option and then just go to the search bar and type in real estate yard design. So you will get multiple templates like for the yard design here. So just look for your desired template that you are comfortable with. So after that, just select that and you can customize your template in any way possible on Canva. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.